Hey everyone, welcome back to Stay Happy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the basics of AppLab on code.org. So here you're gonna go to code.org. You're gonna click either here or here. And once you get into the homepage, this is what you're gonna see. So it's gonna give you this, gonna give you start learning, watch the video, join us. And up here you have create, you have sign in, you have like the help button. Here you have about, help us, stats, projects, teach, and learn. And so here's like some information about this website. So if you don't have an account, you're still gonna click sign in, and you're gonna click create an account. Or if you don't want to make an account yet, but you do want to try to code on code.org, it says here want to try coding without signing in. This is kind of like a free trial, but this website doesn't like take money from you in any way. But if you do it on here, it's not gonna be saved. Like, all you have done on this isn't going to be saved. So you can like try one of these if you're not sure if you want to make an account yet. But I already have an account, so I'm gonna click sign in. This is just, I don't know, so I'm just gonna close that. So when you have made an account and you have logged in, it's gonna give you your dashboard. So here's like my courses, the courses that you can take or have took. So I am started on AppLab. So basically, if you want to start on a project, you're gonna go here and you're gonna go to create, and it's gonna give you all these types of projects to try and do. But you're probably not gonna know how to do them. So you're gonna want to find yourself a course. Okay. So here you have some code tutorials and courses. So you can click view more hour of code tutorials here or there. So see, it's going to give you tutorials on how to do these things. So if you want to do dance party, it's going to give you a course on how to do something like this. And it's going to give you something for AI for oceans. And AI is basically artificial intelligence, where a machine is learning how to do something or how to recognize something. And it has Minecraft and AppLab. So, and it has all these other things as well. It has a lot. So even if it says ages 13 plus, I'm like not 13, so usually it wouldn't allow me to do this. But you can still try to make an app. It's actually pretty easy once you get through the course. So at the first time you're going to get into the App Lab course, you are going to see this page. But all of these are probably going to be white because, well, you haven't done them yet. They will turn green when you have. So here it's gonna like make you watch this video, and then after you watch the video, you're gonna click continue. And it's gonna give you like an assignment. So it's gonna tell you what to do up here. So it says goal, make the screen green. How, drag in a set property block, use the drop downs to set the screen's background color to green, then hit run. And if you get stuck, you can click on this like GIF and it'll kind of show you what to do. See? So yeah, and once you get to like, the end, let me see, like to 15, once you get to 15, it's going to give you like these, because you've gone through the whole course, you now know the basics of how to make an app on App Lab. So it's giving you choices on what to do here. So it's giving you options of what to do. So you can actually like click on these to see what you can do with them. So let's say you want to like try. So basically, you're gonna click on whichever one you want to look at. It's going to do this. So basically, it's gonna give you whatever app this person has done. So let's say you wanted So basically, if you make the right choices, it'll lead you to the next screen. If you make the wrong choices, you have to from the beginning. And you can view the code, how this person made this app. So it's gonna load. It says choose your own adventure, and you can click remix to like make kind of like your own one. It's gonna copy it for you. It's gonna copy actual app for you, but you have to change something before you publish it. And so there are 3. You can choose from those just to get you started. And if you don't like these, you can just go to your dashboard or the home page from their logo and come down here and for create, you're gonna click create, and you're gonna find App Lab here and a bunch of other projects, and you're gonna click App Lab. It takes like, I don't know, 20 seconds to load. So it's gonna take you here, and the name of it is gonna be Untitled Project, so you're gonna wanna rename this. You're gonna rename it. So I don't know why I would wanna rename this. I'm just gonna name it Tutorial. I think that's how you spell it. Okay, so basically these are like the basics of code.org, App Lab. So here you're gonna have all your blocks, and this is where you're gonna put all your blocks for them to run. So here you have the UI blocks, you have tons of them. And data, control, variables, canvas, turtle, math, and functions. Now, if you ever put in a block and you put in a bunch of these blocks, well, a bunch of different colored blocks, that is, and you can't remember where this block was from and you need it again. So basically you're going to look at the color of it, and let's say I'm over here. I can't find where this block was from, so basically you're just going to look at the color and find the category that matches. Ta-da! Okay, so that was basically the coding part of it. And here, down here where it says debug commands and show debug commands and stuff like that, it's gonna tell you if there is a mistake in your project, or if there's something wrong with it, something like that. It's going to tell you line 21 is missing this, or I don't know. So whenever you're done with the code, you can click run. I didn't do anything yet to make it run, so it's just gonna look blank like this. And so over here it says where you're gonna design your actual app. So let's say I want some text over here. It doesn't actually say text, so it just says labels. So I'm gonna put in the label, and maybe I want a next button and an image. Okay, so this is gonna be the ID for your label. So I don't know what this is going to be about. So let's say I'm making an adventure, okay, just for an example. So maybe I want to start with welcome. Oh, no, this is the ID. What am I doing? Okay, so the ID can be welcome, I guess, since that's kind of the same thing I'm writing in here. Welcome. And you can change the size, well, not from here really. You kind of change the size of the text from, where is it? From here, where it says font size. you can just click up or find yourself a number. So it's just gonna keep getting bigger. So up is like it getting bigger, and down it's gonna get smaller. And here you have the font family. It's gonna be like what font you want your text to look like. So let's try comic. See, it turned into a different one. Arial. Okay. So here you're gonna have the text alignment. So this is gonna align your text. So right now it's on left. I could do right, center, or justify. So let's try center. And here's justify. I like center the best, to be honest. And here's like gonna be the border color for like your text. So I'd say, I don't know, I want it to be blue. But nothing's gonna show here unless you actually make like the border width. See, as soon as I started, it was making the width. So that's the border color, and you can like hide it if you don't want it. Just hide it. And here it's gonna like, this is send forward, send to front, send backwards, send to back. So basically what these do, what the depth is like if you have something stacked on top of another thing and like you want the text to be on top of it, you'll just click send forward or send to front. And you'll do the same thing with these ones. So send to back, send to back, or backward, and see. So, and here you're gonna have the background color for your text. And if you look closely, wherever it says color, like background color, text color, border color, and it's gonna have something like this box here that's gonna help you choose the colors, because you could still do the colors with this. Like, let's say I want 10. I don't know. It's just hard to figure it out with the numbers. It's easier to figure it out with this thing. It's just more helpful. But most of the time you're gonna find it on like, this is like the opacity. So you're gonna want it to become all the way over here. See? It's all the way over here. You can actually see the red. If I move it back, it's getting lighter and lighter. Okay, maybe I want to change the color. That's better. Okay. So I'm probably gonna want this to be white. And yeah, that's kind of it. No, it's not. So here's gonna be the width of your label, height of your label, the X position. And if you don't know what X is, it's basically like the horizontal position of your label. And here it's going to be, for the Y position, it's going to be the vertical position of your label. So yeah, Let me try and get this out of under the label. So let's see, I want this. You can make it bigger from here too. See these like little lines? You can like drag it from here, make it bigger and stuff. I don't want it that big. And so for the image, I'm gonna get the ID for the image, and basically it's kind of the same, but here you can actually choose an image, like you can upload an image from your computer, or you can take it like an icon. But not all of them are here. Like, let's say, I don't know, I want a cow. No cow. So it doesn't have all icons, so it's not the best thing. So I usually go for upload a file. It's just easier. And here it's gonna tell you to fit the image. So it's gonna like give you options on how you want to fit your image. You want to fill it, cover it, contain it, or just none. And it has border color and border radius, and it has the hidden button and depth. And button is kind of like the same thing. You've got ID, you've got text, you've got width, height, X position, Y position, text color, background color, font family, font size, text alignment, image. So basically you can make your button, instead of a color, it's going to be an image. So same thing, it's gonna give you upload file or icons, and border color, border width, border radius, hidden, and depth. So pretty much all of them have border width, border color, border radius, hidden, and depth. They're just one of the most common things in all of these. So let's say after I've done my thing, I want like to make it go to a different screen. So you're gonna take the screen icon and you're gonna put it on your phone thing. And here you have a lot of elements you can put into your app. You've got button, you've got text input, you've got label, drop down, checkbox, radio button, image, canvas, text area, screen, chart, slider, and photo select. So you've got a lot of stuff here to work with. I actually really like coding with AppLab on code.org. It makes it very fun, and it's like very helpful as well. So let's say after you're done with your app and you add all this code and stuff, you want to make it, or you want to like share it. So you click share and you can copy the link, you can send it to your phone, you can publish it. Now publishing it is probably going to send it to code.org. You can also like get it on Facebook and Twitter and stuff. You can probably click copy and go into a new tab and paste it. gonna load, and it's gonna give you your app, like the app I just showed you. So, and also, if you guys want to like go to your projects, it's gonna be down here. View project, you've got like view more projects, start a new project, and also you can change the language down here if like it's English isn't your best. I don't know, you can try Spanish. It'll change the whole thing to Spanish for you. So also there is a page called projects. That's where all your projects are. And it's going to give you ideas for projects. It's going to give you start a new project, my projects, my libraries. I don't have any libraries. Public projects. So after you're like done with your app, you're probably gonna go here and you're gonna click publish. I'm not done with this. This is just for this tutorial. And it's gonna give you when it was last edited, what type it is, and the project name. It's gonna give you some quick actions like rename or remix and delete. So basically that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this project and video, and I hope you guys subscribe, like, click the notification bell and share, and I'll see you all next time. And don't forget to stay happy.